If you've never had khao soi, you're probably wondering what all the hype is about. This iconic northern Thai noodle dish is rich, comforting, and full of layers. Here's how I make beef khao soi. Soak the dried noodles just until softened, then deep fry in batches until golden and crunchy. These are the same wheat noodles you'll later cook and serve in the soup. Next, the curry paste. Soak the large dried red chilies while you prep other herbs, then add ginger and plenty of turmeric, which makes this paste different from typical Thai curries, along with garlic, shallots, and lemongrass. What really makes khao soi unique is a rare spice called luk chako or black cardamom seeds. Lightly toast them, then grind everything into a fine paste. You can make this paste in advance and keep it in the freezer for up to 6 months. You can fry the paste in oil, but I recommend starting with coconut milk. Cook it down until it breaks, meaning the oil separates from the solids and becomes rich and nutty. Once it's ready, fry the curry paste until fragrant. Add the beef chunks and toss to coat. Gradually pour in coconut milk, scraping up any bits from the bottom of the pot. Then add enough water or stock to cover and let it simmer until the beef is tender. Stir occasionally to make sure everything cooks evenly. While the broth is simmering, prepare your condiments. Slice or dice the shallots, chop the pickled mustard greens, and cut coriander and green onions. Don't forget some lime wedges. To serve, cook the khao soi noodles in boiling water for about 3 minutes. If you're not serving them right away, drain and rinse in cold water to stop the cooking, then drain again and keep covered. Ladle the rich curry broth over the noodles. If you prefer a milder version, you can add a little extra coconut milk that's been gently simmered with a pinch of salt and some stock. Finish with the crispy noodles, condiments, and a drizzle of chili oil.